Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 1970 GTO. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. This classic car of the 1960s and 1970s was reinvented in 2004 after a 30-year hiatus. Known as the original muscle car, the GTO continues to offer incredible performance when equipped with the 6.0-liter V8 that takes you from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.